Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing well. We are in the Busch Gardens area at Terrace of Tampa. If you're new to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Today's adventure, suburbs of Tampa. Let's check it out. Got a late evening drive here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Trying to stay out of the sun's glare as best we can. Assuming there's a lot of Buccaneers fans around this part. Sylvia, didn't catch the middle word there. Elementary school. Going to be turning on to Regna's Avenue. Speed tables right ahead. So we got abandoned parking lot here to the left. Big tree that's down. Turn on to Tangerine here. Looks like this loops around. Roads here are pretty small. No, that's a dead end. Okay. Let's not go that way. Doo-ba-doo-doo. Turning here, we're at Tangerine and Covina Street. Not a lot of people out and about this evening. Kind of quiet here. That person has some. There's a lot of ducks. Wow, what the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a duck farm. You guys saw that, right? Lots of bodies of water here in Florida. I haven't really seen any in the past probably 2-mile radius, but hey, maybe they have a duck farm or live at a duck pond at those folks' house. The more you know. There's one hotel up outside of Orlando, and I can't remember the name of the city. It starts with an A though. Anapoco? Somewhere up there by Orlando, and they have wild peacocks. Just walking around their property, hotel property, and it's like a Hilton Garden Inn, so it's not like a a zoo or something. Wow, look at that squirrel on the power lines. You see that? Pretty cool. Getting to a bigger road here, 40th Street. Coming to a roundabout. You can see the Busch Gardens right there. It's one of the roller coasters. It's an amusement park. I don't see anybody going up the roller coaster though. Yeah, there you go. That's a good view. I guess I'm gonna go around again. What the front door? can't work roundabouts. I'm supposed to go the other way, but that truck wasn't yielding to me. I had the right of way. So I'm just going to go down another street. Certainly, this will take me back somewhere. I hope. Maybe I can go this way. Got a clubhouse. That's pretty cool. Hey, there's a pond. See a couple ducks in there. Yeah. There we go. Better view of the roller coaster. There's some apartments here. Holy smokes. What the fuck, man? Look at this fucking idiot. Unbelievable. If I get demonetized for that, that's crap. Continuing our journey here after that BS. Clowns, man. Yukon Street, heading west. There's a huge body of water over here to the left. On to 33rd Street. That's a big piece of the roller coaster right there. It's like a steep drop. That's cool. Little motorcycle. Alright, folks. See you next time. Holy smokes. What the fuck, man? Look at this fucking idiot.